अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहु मलगरो उम्मीद कम जिस्ता सुबह टोल खा बराबर वे Today we are here in the bakery and I'm going to ask some question from the shopkeeper, and today we have to use one word. We have to remember one word. Let's learn with me. My brother, could we have pickle?
Yes, of course.
Okay, please bring it. Hadida maksad sho che ayasta susara achar shtade pickle. Could we have pickle? Yani che kala munga pashte che vayu che ayasta susara da hasiz milavegi. Could we have pickle? Could we have coffee? Could we have cola? Could we have biscuit? Could we have cookie? So kala che munga pa bakery ke maujudu au kala che munga pa general store ke maujudu no munga bawai. Could we have something? Could we have pickle? Could we have banana? So